A for Arjuna, B for Balarama, C for Chitrasena, D for Duryodhana, E for Ekalavya, F for four Vedas, G for Ghatotkacha, H for Hanuman, I for Indra, J for Jatayu, K for Krishna, L for Lakshmana, M for Markandeya, N for Nakula, O for Om, P for Parshuram, Q for Queen Kunti, R for Rama, S for Sanjaya, T for Takshaka, U for Urvasi, V for Vasudeva, W for Vamana, Y for Yudhishthira, Z for Jambavanta.